Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and I have my favorites for March 2018. All different stuff. We have snacks, makeup, hair care, skincare, all the goodies. So before I get into it, just in case people always ask what is on my lips, I'm wearing the Wonder Beauty On The Glow blush. This is the shade Soft Pink, but it is also okay for the lips. It has good skincare ingredients inside. This is such a perfect light pink cool tone shade. Like, I hope they make this in a lipstick too. Then on top of it, I'm wearing the Kylie Cosmetics, this lip gloss in Flash, which is this really beautiful pink and silver sparkly shade that tastes like vanilla. So that's on the lips, and on my eyes too. This lilac eyeshadow is also by Wonder Beauty, and it's called Lilac Luster, I think. So yeah, favorites. Let's start off with some snacks. This we actually just bought in ShopRite because they were on sale. This is my fiance Tommy and I. This is our favorite popcorn. Like, not just March. I feel like this has been our favorite popcorn for like a year or so. And this is by a brand called Angie's, and Boom Chicka Pop cheddar cheese popcorn. And it's real simple ingredients, nothing fake, so it's better than a lot of other snacks in the market. And I have a big salt tooth. Is that like a thing, like a sweet tooth? Like, can people have a salt tooth? Because I'm always craving salt, but I have really, really, really low blood pressure where I get dizzy a lot. So my primary doctor even told me, like, you need more salt than like most normal humans, which I'm like, great, I love it, awesome. So that being said, this is just, it's delicious. It's light, cheddary, popcorny. It's 70 calories a cup, or they say 150 per serving, and it's really yummy. And we have a sea salt one too, but that and a lot of stuff in here if you guys want to check out. I do have an Amazon shop now, so if you want to buy it through the Amazon shop, I get a few little pennies from that, and that kind of helps me, and that would be awesome. And if you're going to buy it anyway and the price is right, why not? But thanks if you do. If you do, tell me, because that's amazing. So moving on, this is another snack, which is actually all empty, and I saved the bag because I didn't want to forget to tell you guys about it. Like I said, salty, crunchy, it's my thing. So this is from Trader Joe's, and these are crunchy curls. Crunchy curls, not crunchy curls. Guys, I'm recording like really late at night when I'm usually in bed, so if I'm a little delirious, you know why. Anyway, so these are a tasty lentil and potato snack, and lentils are amazing. They are a food that is just high in fiber, high in a lot of minerals and nutrients. They're actually a really good food to eat if you're trying to grow your hair. They're a good vegetarian source of protein if you are a vegetarian and you need protein. So this is 130 calories for 31 of these. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm a volume eater. Like, if I get to eat a lot of food for a little calories, I'm a happy person. And they're really tasty too, and crunchy like they said. So these will definitely be being rebought once they're done. I can throw this away now. Goes in the garbage. And the other snack, and I might or might not have talked about this last month, I don't remember, I probably should have checked, but just good old pistachios. Pistachios. I had the hardest time saying that for like since when I was a kid and almost an adult. But you know, nuts are a healthy fat, and you should not be afraid of healthy fat if you are like, you know, trying to be healthy, trying to slim down. And this is a good like 3 o'clock snack. I'll take a handful, you measure them out to a half a cup is 150 calories, and like your body, like it needs healthy fat, it needs the vitamins in here, and they're just tasty. And I like pistachios in the shell, because in the shell it takes longer to eat, so your brain's thinking you're eating more than you really are. So yeah, it's kind of weird that I just started this video off with snacks. Like, I'm not a food, health, snacky fitness channel. I am a beauty channel. I mean, I would be that, but I'm self-conscious, and I don't want to show you guys all my body and all that type of stuff. But let's get to beauty now. So, one of my favorites, of course, is Olaplex No. 3. I just went through one of these in my empties video. If you watched that, I always post these the same day. It's just doing amazing things to my hair. I was using it every other week, but then I used it last week and this week, and I think I really do want to bump up the treatment to weekly, because this really gives my hair bounce, shine. I feel like it's helping like my hair keep its integrity, and any damage that's left over on the ends from like the years of abuse is just helping it. So I did post a review just on Olaplex, like more about it, why I love it. So I'll post that below if you want to check it out too. It's a favorite. Another hair care favorite, the Raw Curls Firm Hold Gel. Used up one of these in my empties this month as well. It's just it's such a great gel because there's a firm hold, and what I like about firm holds is like, you know, I washed my hair today. This is actually freshly washed hair, and it's actually, my roots are dry for once. Most videos my roots are not dry, but it's so late that they are. What I like about this is like, it'll be my wash day, but then like I'll work out like tomorrow, the next day, and just with a little refreshing, my hair will hold up. So that's the biggest thing I noticed with the firm hold. Helps with frizz, helps with definition, and I like that this brand is that the I can't talk. That the Firm Hold Gel, it doesn't have any crunch. It does dry with the cast, but the cast scrunches out so easy, and then you just have nice curls underneath. At least I think they look nice. But the brand in general, Raw Curls, I've been reaching for them a lot. Them and Briogeo have been like my two major go-tos. Just they've been giving me consistent results lately. Speaking of Briogeo, I did put my Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask in here. My favorite mask of all time. Even in real life, people ask me like, oh, pick one mask. This is going to be it. It's potent. Has a good mix of moisture and protein. No silicones, no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, nothing bad. All great stuff. I need to take a sip of water. Let me know. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know what's wrong with me tonight. I just recorded my empties and now I'm talking about my favorites. In my empties video, I went into a coughing fit and I had to edit it, and the same thing just happened. So maybe it's just the whole March curse. I don't know. Is Mercury still in retrograde? Maybe that's what's doing it. But Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, amazing. I still need to get the super size. They make a huge one now in a pump and I'm dying for it. But love, love, love it. Moving on. I have two refresher sprays that I don't really like talk about that much, but I've been enjoying this month. So this is the Main Choice 4-Leaf Clover Leave-In Spray. And then this is by Curls, the Aloe and Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer. And I've kind of been like alternating these two back and forth, using them to refresh my day 2, day 3 hair. And then I use the Raw Curls, the anti-frizz spray to refresh too. But these are really nice. This smells really, these both actually smell really good. This one smells like straight up blueberries. I love it. And this smells pretty fruity too. But yeah, really enjoying these refresher sprays. Next, this, I don't know if this is even still around, but this is Laura Geller Baked Body Frosting in Angel Glow. Here it is, and I like this. I've been using this anytime I put like makeup on. I've been putting it under my brow bone just to kind of enhance it when I have other eyeshadows on. So that's what it looks like on the inside. That's what's left of it. I've been reaching for this. This thing's been lasting me years, and then I accidentally dropped it and lost some, and that kind of sucked. But I think they have on one of her like new highlighters, the big gelato ones. I think there's a color that's similar to this out now. Moving on. By Josie Maran, we have this Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. It looks like a UFO, and I've been using this as my primer for a few weeks now, and I really like it because her line is just fantastic. This actually gives your skin a glow, which is very unusual for me because I always try to like mattify my skin and get any shine away, but this, it gives the most subtle glow. And it helps makeup wear on smoother and longer, and it has skincare ingredients in it. I don't know if you guys could see, but yeah, I've really been enjoying this. So that's why it's in my favorites. Another thing, this is by a brand called Farmacy, which I'm trying to learn more about. I know they're like honey based, or they use honey and echinacea. But this is the Honey Savior All-in-One Skin Repair Salve with echinacea, green envy, honey. So this is one of those like a better Vaseline, because Vaseline is full of petroleum and this is natural. So I've been using this all over. I've been using this on my lips, around my eyes, on my hair, on my cuticles. I scratched my elbow a few days ago and I've been putting on the elbow, like on the scratch, and it's been helping it heal really well. Little goes a long way, and it smells like honey. It smells so, so good. I don't know, I love the smell of honey. But yeah, I got this, I think I got it at Sephora, and I got it months ago and it's still pretty full, so got that. Got Dalton. Love Dalton. Dalton everything. Such a great brand. If you've been like watching QVC and you've seen them and you've been on the fence, definitely jump over the fence and give this brand a try. But this is the Finishing Touch Blending Powder. Comes with a mirror. It's just a great finishing powder. Plays well with a lot of different brands of makeup, which is another reason I like it. I like when brands kind of play together, but helps shine. Doesn't look cakey, doesn't look too powdery, and doesn't settle into any pores. What more could you want? This I'm wearing today, and I have to do a full review of it. I have not done so yet. But this is a mascara by Westmore Beauty, which is another QVC brand with Mackenzie Westmore. You might know her from Face Off. She was on Passions. I loved Passions when I was younger, but this is a new mascara, and this is called Bold and the Beautiful. I have it on today. I have it on over the lash primer. Mascara by Westmore Beauty, which is another QVC brand, and this is her Bold and Beautiful mascara. Mackenzie Westmore, she's from the Westmore family. They invented false lashes. They're Hollywood royalty when it comes to makeup. I have it on today over my lash primer, but I really like this mascara because I could get my lashes really, really long and thick, and it doesn't clump, and it wears all day without smudging. I have to do a separate review of it. I haven't had a chance yet, but I've been wearing this mascara for like a few days now, and I really, really like it. So I really liked her other mascara too in the gold tube, but I think I like this one even more. Moving on, we have these lip glosses that I also have to review. My friend Emily Wolf here on YouTube, you have to check out her videos. She does amazing makeup tutorials. Moving on, I have lip gloss. So these, my friend Emily Wolf here on YouTube, you have to check her out. She does amazing makeup videos. She sent me some of the Urban Decay, the new Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses. They're amazing. I have to review them. They taste really good. They have a sweet vanilla scent to them, and they make the lips look really like plump and fuller, nice colors, and they're not sticky. They're just a really great gloss formula that I have been enjoying. And then I have 4 more things. So let's get to it. So this, I did a video on, I did a blog using 8 looks with, haven't been able to put this down since I got it. This is the Tarte, the Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette, the eyeshadow palette. Now, if you know me, you probably know I love everything mermaid and beach. I mean, come on, there's seashells on my shirt right now. Like, love, love, love it. So as soon as this palette and collection came out, I knew I had to have it. Haven't been able to put it down. Those are the colors inside. Check out the blog if you want more information. Fantastic eyeshadow palette. So me. And then we have, from the IT Cosmetics, they had them at today's special value in the beginning of March. They debuted a new lip product. This is the Je ne sais quoi treatment serum. This stuff is so moisturizing on the lips. I've been using this at night. I use it during the day too. I love the Je ne sais quoi, the color. It goes with your skin's pH, and it comes to a custom pink on every person. It's different. It's a hot pink on me, which I absolutely am crazy about. But it comes like this, and I'll mix it. Why not? I've just been really enjoying it. Another lipstick by Doll 10 that I reviewed, and I will post the link below. This is a Hydrabalm Serum Lipsticks. This is the shade Love Always. It came with 3 shades. 2 of the shades I really love, and then the other shade I like too, but it's a brown tone, and you guys know I'm all pink. These are so moisturizing. These have a ton of great things inside too. Check out the blog post if you want to know more, but I've been reaching for these quite often as well. Last but not least, we have an oldie but a goodie. So this is the IT Cosmetics, the Live, Love, Laugh Vitality Face Disc. I forgot if I put this in last month because I've been reaching for this constantly, and something just made me pull it out of the drawer and start using it again. There's a huge mirror, but you have a matte bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. The bronzer especially is amazing to contour with, and I've just been enjoying it every day. Yeah, that's it. Those are my March favorites. It's late. I'm going to bed. Easter's tomorrow. When you're watching this, the holiday weekend will be past, so hopefully you had a nice holiday. And if you did like this, if you want a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, that would be awesome. Whatever your favorite's been this month, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.